How to record your voice audio on Sony Vegas Pro tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to record your voice easy and fast on Sony Vegas. So all what you have to do is go here and select your track, and then go down here and you will find this little icon of the microphone. If you didn't find it, click on Ctrl R on your keyboard. Now let's start recording. Click OK. Test. This is just a test. Now stop from here again. Click done and let's listen to this. Test. This is just a test. As you can see, everything is gonna be done now for you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.